Hi everyone, in this video we are going to decompose this rational expression using something called partial fraction decomposition, and I'm going to show you how to do it using something called the cover-up method. So let's go ahead and do it. Solution. So we have distinct linear factors here, and that matters because when that's the case, what we do is we write this as a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. And now we're ready to find a and b, and we'll be done. To find a, you cover up, hence the name cover up method, whatever is under a. So x plus 1 is under a, so you cover it up over here, and then you ask yourself, what makes this 0 here? Well, -1 makes this 0. So you put a -1 here. So a is equal to 3 over -1 plus 2. So 3 over 1, so 3. Again, to find a, you cover up what's under a, and you ask yourself, what causes a problem here? Well, what causes division by 0? What makes the denominator 0? -1. Then you come over here and you plug it in. To find b, you cover up what's under b, and you ask yourself, right, x plus 2, so you cover up x plus 2. That's what's under b. And you ask yourself, what makes this problematic? What makes the bottom 0? -2. So it's 3 over -2 plus 1. So it's 3 over -1, so -3. And so the final answer is going to be 3, because a is 3, over x plus 1, minus 3 over x plus 2. We're putting a -3 here for b, writing it like this. That would be the partial fraction decomposition, my friends. Hey, if you enjoyed this content, subscribe, like, and share, and check out my math courses and books. Those links are in the description. This is actually from one of my books, Pre-Calculus for Legends. It's actually an example in the section on partial fractions, except I do it a little bit differently. Stay strong.